Colorful Cute Kids.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a family of 5. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw the sister. Let's start with her face, then her eyes and her hair. She has a big, happy smile. Now, I'll draw her shirt and her ears. Her hair is shoulder length, so let's add that too. Next, let's draw her younger brother. I'll start with his face, then his eyes and his smiling mouth. Now, let's add his hair and his shirt. Now, let's draw the father. I'll start with his body, then his eyes and his mouth. Now, let's add his hair and his ears. Next, let's draw the mother. She has a big smile on her face. She also has short hair. Let's draw that. The last member of our family is a puppy. Let's start with his face, then his eyes, nose, and mouth. Now, I'll draw his ears so cute. And we're done with the drawing. We've completed a happy family of 5. Now, let's color together. Father's and brother's hair brown. Mother's and sister's hair are black. Father's shirt, a dark green. Mother's and sister's shirts, red. Brother's shirt, a blue. Puppy's fur, a dark yellow. Finally, I'll use a black marker to outline the drawing and make it stand out. Great job, everyone! Your picture looks amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I can't wait to draw with you again. See you next time. Goodbye.